They're called forever chemicals, or PFAs. You can't see them, you can't taste them, but through various products and contaminated groundwater, they're in your blood and linked to deadly diseases. Although the EU released a ban on PFAs, well, it's complicated. Some are banned, some are not, and they are still used by many companies, even in Germany. So how do you dye textiles without poisoning people or the planet? We asked ourselves the same question, and we found an answer. We still dye and manufacture our fabrics, but without PFAs, formaldehydes, or halogenated flame retardants. But as every process leaves a trace, ours is water. So here's what we do with it. We start with a biological treatment plan, which removes dirt and dyes naturally, and ozone removes the stubborn pigments. Then, we use air bubbles to lift oils to the top and magnets to pull toxins down. And the result? Water that's clean enough to rejoin nature. So it's not a matter of lacking technologies or machinery, but more one of willingness to use these. If one company can do this, without cutting corners, why can't everyone? Of course we could produce just as cheap and easy, but we decide we don't. For a healthier future of our planet and our families.